Hi there. So if you've used Outclip, you'll notice that one of the things that makes Outclip videos stand out is when you make a screen recording, you have a thumbnail video on the corner of your screen. So this makes your videos a lot more personal. Now, a number of users ask me this question: how do you get the thumbnail video to always appear on top of the screen? Because what happens is when you change applications, when you go from the browser to another application, or if you change browser tabs, the thumbnail video might stop appearing on top of your screen. So there is a feature in Outclip that actually lets you keep the thumbnail video always on top of the screen recording. And I'm going to show you how to use that feature. To begin, we'll open the Outclip Chrome extension recording dialog. To do that, we click on the Outclip icon up here on the top right. And here's the dialog. And we want to record our entire desktop. And we want to record with mic and with camera. Now this is the thumbnail video that appears on the video. But in order to make the thumbnail always appear on top of the screen recording, I want to use an extra option called pop-out video. So to do that, you click on this option here called Show More Options, and you can scroll down to pop-out video and enable that. Now when you do this, you get a prompt here that says Outklip.com wants to use your camera. So you click Allow on that. And once you do that, you have your thumbnail video here, and you can click on this. If you hover on the video, you're going to get two buttons on top. This menu pops out, and there is a button here called pop out. You click on pop out, and this makes your video pop out. Now when you record, this video is going to remain on your screen recording no matter what application you open, no matter what browser tab you open. So I'm going to close this for now, and I'm going to begin a recording. And let's select entire screen. So after the countdown, our recording begins, and now we're doing a full screen recording. At this point, you can pop out the video, and this appears here on top, and I can open a new tab. And as you can see, the video always stays on tab no matter where I am, what tab is open. And then here I can even open a different application. I've opened PowerPoint here, and the video still stays on top. So this is the way to do it. You essentially enable the pop-out video feature. You click allow to enable the web page to access your web camera, and click pop out on the thumbnail video for it to pop out and appear on top of every application as you record.